Hey guys, Tamika here. Welcome back to another video. And today is my birthday. Woo! Hopefully this video went up on my birthday because I am very last minute with everything. So I'm going to be playing around with some makeup today just to do like a cute little birthday glam. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and it would be such a birthday gift if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. I would so appreciate that. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell, the little bell down there, just so you are notified when I do upload a video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what type of birthday glam I come up with in today's video, stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna do like a birthday glam today. So I'm gonna go in with a more full coverage foundation, and the foundation that I'm gonna be using is going to be the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and prime, and I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and just apply this on my face. I'm filming this video at like 8:30 at night. Today's the 1st. Hopefully this video goes up on the 2nd, which is my birthday. Let's see how late I will be staying up to edit this video today, because I have work tomorrow, and let's see if we can get it done. Okay, so now that my primer is applied, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and this brush is a this is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush, and this is the JH03. And I really love this brush because it's super soft and it makes the blending super easy, and it looks very flawless. So the concealer that I am going to in with is the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I am in the shade 420. Yeah, my birthday's today. I have no plans. Couldn't decide where to go. Couldn't decide what to do. I'm sorry, I'm a Libra. I'm just very indecisive. I'm sorry. But yeah, I couldn't figure out what to do, so I will be going to work. That is where I will be spending my day, at work, like every other day. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out using a Real Techniques setting brush. Next up, we're gonna hit a little contour. This is Fenty Beauty Matchstix in the shade Espresso. What I like to do is use my brush, and this is a Real Techniques medium sculpting brush. And actually, I like to apply this to the back of my hand. Applying it to the back of my hand allows the product to warm up, and it's easier to move and apply to the face. I'm gonna go in with my brush, just dip it in there, kind of like wipe off the excess because I don't want it to be too crazy, and then I'll just go in and contour where I need to. I'm going to be going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Alright, and so for the look today, I think I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Soul palette. It's like a small palette that has like some oranges, some berry colors, coral colors in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and play in this one and see what kind of look I come out with. And so first, I think I want to go into this first color right here, which is called Unwind, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Hopefully it shows up. Next up, I'm going to go into this color right here. Well, this color is called Ooh. I don't know, it's 3 O's. Maybe it's ... I don't know. But it's like a very bright corally color, and I am going to pack that along my crease. Like I said, I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, so bear with me. back over with just that brown color that we started with, which was Unwind, just to kind of blend them together. The next color we're going to go into is this one right here, which is called B&B, which is like a very light, kind of like a very light bronze gold. And I'm going to go in with a brush and apply that to my eye. Ooh, wow. And then on the outer corner of that, I'm going to go into this deeper bronze gold color, which is called Hotel. This is a NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and this is in the color, I guess it's Dramatic Sparkle. I've had this for a really long time, but it's like a yellow gold color, and I'm just going to take some of that across my eye here. Okay guys, so this is the final look I created using the Colourpop Soul Palette. This is my little birthday glam. I wanted to get something up for you guys on my birthday, and hopefully it makes it. If not, see you on the 3rd. But yeah, so this was my little birthday glam, and I hope you guys like the look. If you do like this look, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below. That lets me know you enjoy these type of videos. And also, do not forget, if you guys want to give me like a little virtual birthday gift, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join my little family here. And until next time, bye.